We've codified our existence to bring it down to human size, to make it comprehensible. We've created a scale so that we can forget its unfathomable scale.
I, Hatshepsut, Pharaoh of the Two Lands, have long understood the power of discovery. In my time, I commanded great expeditions, gathered wisdom, and built monuments that would endure for millennia. Now I watch as your world reaches into the vast unknown, beyond frozen moons, planets, and stars within the very depths of space itself. With each revelation, the mysteries of the universe unfold. And yet, I wonder, what will this journey mean for you? Will it elevate humanity? Or will the secrets of the cosmos awaken something far darker? Only time will tell where this path leads. The universe is full of stars, galaxies, and light. Yes. But as we look deeper into the cosmos, something far stranger begins to emerge. A truth about our existence that challenges the very framework we've built to understand the universe. Most of the universe is empty, but not just in the way we often think of emptiness. This emptiness is profound, almost unfathomable. It is the void, the nothingness that is just as essential to the structure of the universe as the stars and galaxies themselves. Imagine, for a moment, drifting away from the glowing arms of a galaxy, beyond the scattered stars and into the space between. As you travel farther, the stars thin out, fade away, and soon you find yourself in a place where nothing shines. No nebulae, no cosmic structures, just an endless stretch of void. This void is not just absence, but a feature of the universe. One of the largest known cosmic deserts, the Boreas Void, measures over 330 million light-years across, with only a few dozen galaxies where there should be thousands. But this isn't just some oddity, a mistake in the data. It's the natural result of how the universe formed. In the beginning, matter wasn't evenly distributed, and over time, the denser regions clumped together, forming galaxies, clusters, and filaments. The regions with less matter, however, became the voids. And those voids, like the Boreas Void, are expanding as the universe stretches out. And yet, there's a deeper void, an even more mysterious one, closer to home. We live in it. Astronomers have discovered that our galaxy sits at the center of a massive 2 billion light-year wide void, a local hole, as it's been called. It's the largest void we've found, and its existence shakes the foundations of what we thought we knew about the cosmos. According to one of the central assumptions in modern cosmology, the universe's matter should be evenly distributed on the largest scales. But here we are, in the middle of a vast chasm where there should be galaxies, but instead there is just emptiness. This void shouldn't exist, at least not according to our previous understanding. The fact that it does forces us to reconsider some of the most fundamental aspects of the universe. Are the laws of gravity and dark matter wrong? Do we need to rethink how the universe is structured? It's a question that's no longer hypothetical, but one that scientists are grappling with as they face mounting evidence. For a long time, voids like these were considered anomalies, oddities, places where the universe's rules somehow didn't apply. But as time passes, more of these empty regions are being discovered, leading astronomers to a conclusion that's hard to ignore. The universe isn't uniformly filled with matter. Instead, it's a vast, intricate network of something and nothing, each playing an equally crucial role in its structure. And in the heart of all this emptiness, our galaxy persists, alive and thriving. This void, this emptiness that stretches outward, may not just be a question of the cosmos having places where there's less stuff. It could be a window into the very nature of the universe itself. Some scientists even speculate that the nature of voids might help us understand the mysterious force of dark energy, the energy that is accelerating the universe's expansion. In the great nothingness, where gravity's pull is weak, we might see more clearly how the universe is changing, how it's growing, and how everything we know is constantly in flux. In this vast emptiness, in the places where light doesn't reach, where the stars seem to vanish entirely, it's easy to feel insignificant. But perhaps that's the point. In the face of such vastness, where the scale of the universe is almost incomprehensible, we still exist. We look up at the stars, at the dark void between them, and instead of shrinking in fear, we reach for understanding. We seek answers, not because the void is empty, but because it's full of potential, full of questions, full of the unknown. The universe is mostly void, but here we are, in the middle of it, asking those questions, seeking meaning in the nothingness. And perhaps in that search, we find what truly matters. In the emptiness of the cosmic void, we are not lost. We are a part of it, seeking to understand it, to make sense of it, and to find connection, even in the darkest of places.